Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. How are you all?
Good morning,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
fine. What about you?
I am also good. So this is our geography class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Be ready with your books. Yes. What are we going to do today in geography?
Ma'am, new chapter.
Ma'am, new
Yes.
chapter.
New chapter. Very good. Very good. Very smart children, huh?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, class. Books are ready with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So what is the next chapter of geography?
Land and soil resources.
Okay. Land
and soil.
resources. Yes, beta. Say it, bacha. What you were saying? Nothing? Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can anybody take the screenshot of the participants and send it to me on my number?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Thank you so much, beta.
Ma'am, today we will start chapter 2 of geography.
Yes, we'll start chapter 2 of geography, land and soil resources.
Ma'am, send.
Ma'am, same.
Okay. How is Swastik doing? Fine. Beta, if when I say land, what exactly do I mean by saying land? What I am talking about?
Ma'am, the outer layer of earth known as crust.
Yes. When we say land, we are basically talking about the outer crust, outer layer of the earth, which is called as crust. And we all know that we, as human beings, we all are living on that crust, right? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
What else do you know about the land
Yes,
that we're
ma'am.
talking about? What else do you know about this land?
It contains soil.
Okay, it has soil,
Different types of soil.
very, which is
Ma'am, it is used for cultivation
okay.
and agriculture.
When we say land, we are basically talking about the outer layer the earth called as crust, right? Right?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
land is very important to us because over the land we do agriculture.
Because
Ma'am, we do agriculture on land.
because we do exactly. Land is important because we do agriculture on it, right? What else the land supports?
Ma'am, our houses.
For cultivation.
Okay, one by one. Bacha, one by one. Okay. So first is agriculture. Somebody said. Then, agriculture is first. Then we say.
Ma'am, constructions of building.
Ma'am, it provides us with various minerals.
It what?
Ma'am, it
Ma'am, it
provides us with
provides
various
us with,
minerals.
ma'am, like
Okay.
iron, gold.
Provides minerals.
Ma'am, it is used in transportation.
Very good. All the transportation that is there is possible only because of the land.
Ma'am's industries.
It provides us the place to grow trees and plants.
Okay, we have factories and industries is set up on the land itself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm also trees and plants.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, land is a kind of base of everything.
Just a second. Factories and industries, right? What else? After factories and industry, what else?
Ma'am, it's kind of base of everything.
You are not very clear. Ayush, बोलो बेटा क्या कह रही हो आप?
Ma'am, land type a base of everything.
You are not very clear. थोड़ा सा louder बोलो. Loud बोलो बच्चे थोड़ा सा.
Ma'am, land is type a base of everything.
Ha. Very good, Ayush. Land is the base for everything that we have on the earth. Whatever physical things that are visible on the surface of earth, land is the main base of that. Very good, Ayush. Fine. This is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else that you want to discuss regarding the land? What else do you know about? Yes, beta. Huh?
Ma'am, roads and building.
Buildings. See, houses we have written. Okay, buildings. Then, why to forget the animals? Animals.
Ma'am, grazing of animals.
Yes, grazing of animals. Very good. See, the animal, the livestock that we have, the animals that we have with us, the cattle that we have, these cattle, how do they feed themselves? They feed themselves by grazing. So the land also provides these animals with the grazing lands, right? Grazing lands. Right? What else? Any other use of
Ma'am,
land?
habitat for living.
Huh?
Ma'am, habitat for
What did you say, beta?
ma'am, habitat for the living things.
हाँ तो habitat हो गया, houses हमने बता दिया. Habitat, see, land provides as habitat for all the living beings on the earth. छोटे से छोटा माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म हो या बड़े से बड़ा आपका हाथी हो in animals या फिर human beings, ठीक है? To everyone, land provides a shelter, right? वो अलग बात है कि there are several, reliefs in which the people or the animals are living, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, when we talk of the factors that affect the land use, हमें पता है ये. I hope this part is all clear to all of you that the outermost layer of the earth is crust. And when we say land is important, we all know that land is a very important factor, very important part for us because on the land we do agriculture or cultivation. It also provides us with the grazing land. Then we have houses built on the land. We have various buildings constructed on the land. The land also provides the minerals that we have. Right? Then land also provides for a smooth transportation. Right?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
land also helps in setting up factories and industries. Right? This is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, grazing of animals can be also.
Anything that we are forgetting about the land use?
Ma'am, grazing of animals.
We have written no grazing land. Right?
Ma'am, forest.
Ma'am, forest.
Ha. Land also supports the forest cover, right? Very good.
Ma'am, natural vegetation.
Supports. Ha.
Ma'am, food.
Food comes under agriculture only. No, when we say cultivation, we are basically talking about the food only that is provided to us, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anything left?
Ma'am, climate condition.
What?
Ma'am, climate condition.
नहीं, climate condition तो अलग चीज हो जाएगी. अभी right now we are discussing about the land use. How the land is used by the people. What are
And water resource.
Ma'am, filtering of water.
water resource comes here? Wait.
Ma'am, underwater.
Ma'am, they grow. Ma'am, human grows crops on land.
We are talking about the land use right now. We are talking about the land use, right? How the land could be used for various purposes or why the land is important, right?
Ma'am, sewage system.
Ma'am, filtering
Also-
of water.
Table. Ma'am, water table is also there.
Ground table, the groundwater that we have. But then
Ma'am, sewage system.
listen, this water part we will discuss later on. Right now we are discussing about the land form, or in the other words we can say we are talking about the lithosphere, right? We are talking about the lithosphere. Right.
And
You
to
are-
excavate
Well,
golden ores,
we have
and
water
silver
bodies.
ores.
We have water bodies, between the land only, but then hydrosphere is a separate topic that we will discuss later on, right? Right now, we are more concerned about the lithosphere part. Understood?
Ma'am, to excavate
may I add-
gold
Yes.
ores.
What?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
to
may I add one?
excavate gold ores. Ma'am,
Huh?
mining.
This is what we
Ma'am,
have
mountain.
just with minerals. Provides minerals. Obviously, when we have minerals,
Ma'am,
we
may I-
will be extracting. Yes, but Utkarsh, wait. If we have minerals, we will be extracting them. Yes, Utkarsh?
Ma'am, sewage system.
Okay. Land has sewage system also. Very good. Fine. This
Ma'am,
much
for
is
playing.
now okay. Sufficient. Let us not get diverted. So land is important because it allows cultivation or agriculture, provides grazing lands, then also allows houses to be constructed for the construction of buildings, provides minerals later on which can be taken out by mining or quarrying. Then transportation is also possible because of the land. Factories and industries are set up on the land, and the vegetation cover that we have on the surface of the earth, that is also supported by the land, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to the
Yes, ma'am.
land use. Land is important and there are various land uses. So these are the land uses that we are doing. But there are several other, when we talk of the land use, we are concerned about the factors that affect the land use as well. किसी भी लैंड को यूज करने के लिए जो भी फैक्टर्स उसको इम्पैक्ट करते हैं वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. फिजिकल फैक्टर्स एंड आपके ह्यूमन फैक्टर्स. राइट क्लास?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
फाइन. तो पहले हम पढ़ेंगे लैंड रिसोर्सेज, जस्ट दिस 2 paragraphs. Agrima, would you like to read it for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Read, beta. Read.
Chapter 2, Land and Soil Resources. Land resources. Humans live on land and fulfill most of their needs by products obtained from land. It provides almost 95% of our requirement for food, clothing, and shelter. However, only 30% of the total surface area of the earth is covered by land, making its availability for human use very limited. Even this small amount is not totally suitable for human habitation. About 90% of the world's population lives in only 30% of its land area. The rest of the land is either very thinly populated or uninhabited. This is due to the harsh climatic conditions or inhospitable relief features in these areas. Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Anything that is not clear and understood in this?
Ma'am, I
Understood?
Yes,
have a
ma'am.
doubt.
Okay, fine. Somebody was asking something. Yes, Utkarsh has to
Ma'am,
ask.
I was.
Yes, Utkarsh, what do you want?
No, ma'am, I didn't ask.
Ma'am, I want to ask.
Yes, beta, पूछो बच्चे, पूछो आयुष.
Ma'am, here it is written it 90% of world population live on land. Ma'am, so where the 10% of world population live?
Where does the
10% of world population live?
कह रहा है कि अच्छा बेटा तो आप देखो वो जो आपकी एक्सट्रीम एरियाज हैं आइस कैप्ड एरियाज जो हैं हिली माउंटेन्स जो हैं वहां पे रहते हैं कुछ लोग आइलैंड्स वगैरह में रहते
Antarctica.
हैं ना अंटार्कटिका वगैरह में जो लोग रहते हैं
But that is also land.
but then
Yes,
it is
ma'am, that is also
it is a
land.
land but then see not very congenial environment is there they are living in harsh climatic conditions ठीक है
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए anything in this to be explained more
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
चलिए coming to the land use the term land use denotes चलो उत्कर्ष read
Okay, ma'am. The term land use denotes the different uses that land is put to, such as cultivation of crops, grazing of animals, mining, constructing roads, houses, and other buildings, and setting up of industries. Factors affecting land use. The amount of land put to particular use varies from one region to another. The utilization of land depends upon the various factors, both physical and human. Physical factors. The soil, climate, natural vegetation, availability of water and minerals are important in deciding the land use of this region. The river plains, which are made of rich alluvial deposits, are very fertile. They are thus used for cultivation of crops. The Ganga plain in India and the Huanghe basin in China are good examples. High mountain slope may not be suitable for agriculture, but their thick forest cover and scenic beauty is a source of attraction for tourists. The alpine meadows provide excellent grazing grounds. The plateau region of the world, like the African plateau or the Deccan plateau in India, are storehouses of minerals. Mining activities and industries are most common in these areas. Human and economic factors. These are also important in determining the, for example, in densely populated areas, farmlands or forests may be cleared for constructing buildings, roads, and railways to meet the demand of the people. Another example is the prairies of the USA and Canada, where the development of road and railways has converted much of these grasslands into extensive farms of wheat and corn.
Okay.
Study the given table and
Wait,
answer
wait.
these questions.
Wait. This table we will do after I explain you this whole thing that you have read. Now see, where it says land use, they have told you that land is used for various purposes, right? Now coming to the factors that affect the land use. We all know that when we talk of the land, use, we are concerned about the various relief that we have. What are the relief features of earth? Can you tell me, children?
Ma'am, all.
Yes.
Relief features. What are the various
Ma'am, soil.
No. Relief features.
Ma'am, soil, climate,
Beta.
natural vegetation.
Listen, relief features का मतलब होता है various land forms that are on the earth. So tell me about the various land forms.
Ma'am, soil, climate, natural vegetation, and availability of water.
Utkarsh, soil, climate, are they the relief features? Are they the land forms? Doc says
Mountain plateau.
Ma'am, natural vegetation.
natural vegetation does not come as part of the relief features. Bhavya was correct. Bhavya, tell beta.
Ma'am, hills,
Mountains and slopes.
plateaus,
Ma'am, coastal.
See, these are basically the relief of the land. जब हम relief की बात करते हैं, we are talking about the various land forms that we have on the surface of earth. सारा का सारा land जो है is not an even land. कहीं पे आपको completely plain, जैसे northern plains की हम बात करते हैं, class 6 में you people have read about the physical divisions of the country. In that you must have read
Yes,
about
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
the northern
ma'am.
plains के बारे में पढ़ा है आपने? Plains region जो होते हैं,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, they are the most suitable regions to live on. Reason being, वहां पे सब कुछ easy होता है, दो जो uneven terrains जो होती है वो वहां पे भी होती है, plains में भी, but they are comparatively less in comparison to the high altitude or sorry high mountains and the hills that we have, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So when we say relief, we are basically talking about the plains. ठीक है, जिनको हम हिंदी में मैदानी इलाके बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं?
मैदानी इलाके.
Exactly. The plains, northern plains or the plains are in Hindi we call them as Maidani Ilaka, right? The plains are the most suitable relief to live on. Now coming to the mountains, when you compare plains and mountains, you will find very less people prefer to live in the mountainous areas. Reason being, the mountainous areas are quite rugged. बहुत ही ज़्यादा जो है harsh living conditions होती हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा rugged terrain होता है, उबड़ खाबड़ बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, बहुत uneven होता है, कहीं पे एकदम से steep सा जो है height होती है, फिर कहीं पे एकदम से नीचे चला जाता है. So the movement in the mountainous areas is not very easy. ठीक है? इतना clear हुआ? Then coming to
Yes, ma'am.
plateaus जो होते हैं, plateaus क्या होते हैं? Plateaus, अगर आप mountains देखो, plains का मतलब क्या होता है? Almost specific areas. Mountains में बहुत heights होते हैं, hills भी होती हैं, ठीक है? ये हमारे mountains. When we say plateaus, we are basically talking about the flat table lands. Flat lands को कहते हैं ना हम plateaus.
Agriculture is also possible in mountains.
जिसको हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं पठार. ठीक है? प्लेट्यूज क्या होते हैं? ये इस तरीके के एरिया होते हैं कि रेड एरिया ऊपर से ये फ्लैट होते हैं. ऊपर से ये फ्लैट होते हैं जस्ट लाइक अ टेबल. जैसे हमारा टेबल होता है ना, उसके 4 legs होते हैं और ऊपर से फ्लैट होता है. प्लेट्यूज आर बेसिकली दैट ओनली. प्लेट्यूज आर आल्सो दे आर आल्सो कॉल्ड एज टेबल लैंड्स क्योंकि इनका जो टॉप होता है इट इज फ्लैट, राइट? तो ये जो प्लेट्यूज आर वेरी रॉकी एरियाज. इनमें बहुत ज्यादा जो है रॉक के सब्सटेंसेस बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं. इट इज अ वेरी सॉलिड रीजन. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, गर्मी बहुत ज्यादा होती है, तो जनरली पीपल, अब बिकॉज क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा जो है हार्श कंडीशन नहीं होती है, सो पीपल डू लिव ओवर द प्लेट्यू रीजन्स, बट कंपैरेटिवली जो कंसेंट्रेशन ऑफ पॉपुलेशन है वो प्लेन्स और माउंटेन्स के कंपैरिजन में आपको प्लेट्यूज में, सॉरी माउंटेन्स के कंपैरिजन में आपको प्लेट्यूज में पॉपुलेशन ज्यादा मिलेगी। जैसे डेक्कन प्लेट्यू रीजन हमारे कंट्री का जो है साउथ वाला कर्नाटका और आपका आंध्रा, ये प्लेट्यू रीजन में ही तो आता है ना, तो यहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन अच्छी खासी है, कोई कम नहीं है। ठीक है, ठीक है बेटा।
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
नाउ डेजर्ट, डेजर्ट एरियाज क्या होते हैं, दे आर ड्राई रीजन्स। कैसे रीजन्स होते हैं?
Dry region.
Dry region.
Dry regions.
अब इनको हम ड्राई क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि यहाँ पे एकदम सूखा होता है, बिल्कुल पानी नहीं होता। यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा जो है सन रेज डायरेक्टली होती हैं। यहाँ पे सन रेज की जो फॉलिंग की जो परसेंटेज होती है वो कंपैरेटिवली ज्यादा होती है। ये बहुत ज्यादा गर्म इलाके होते हैं और इस वजह से यहाँ पे भी पॉपुलेशन का कंसेंट्रेशन कम है। अगर आप राजस्थान को देखो, राजस्थान इज अ स्टेट इन द वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
राजस्थान के, अगर हम राजस्थान पर्टिकुलरली बात करते हैं तो राजस्थान का जो वेस्टर्न पार्ट है वहां पे पॉपुलेशन कंसेंट्रेशन बहुत कम है, क्योंकि वहां पे इतना ज्यादा
In the
मैदानी
Thar desert.
थार, जो वहां पे जो है इतनी ज्यादा सैंडी एरिया है, जैसलमेर वगैरह जो है, जैसलमेर, बीकानेर, ये सारे के सारे आपके वेस्टर्न राजस्थान का पार्ट है और वहां पे बिल्कुल भी पॉपुलेशन ज्यादा नहीं होती है क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा रेत है, रेतीला इलाका है। ठीक है, यहाँ पे सैंड जो होती है, सैंड की परसेंटेज बहुत ज्यादा होती है और सैंड में क्या होता है, मॉइस्चर बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है। सैंड दिन में जो है धूप की वजह से बहुत गर्म हो जाती है और जैसे ही सूरज ढलता है एकदम ठंडी हो जाती है ये। ठीक है, तो जो डेजर्ट रीजन्स होते हैं वहां पे रातों में ठंडा होता है और दिन में बहुत एक्सट्रीम गर्म होता है। ठीक है बेटा।
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
ये हो गए
Okay,
relief।
ma'am.
अब इन रिलीफ फीचर्स के बेसिस पे ही जो है हमारा लैंड यूज पैटर्न डिपेंड करता है। दीज आर द फिजिकल फैक्टर्स, दीज आर द
Physical factors.
Physical factors.
Physical factor.
Physical factors.
Yes beta, just now it was read by Utkarsh or by Ayush.
Utkarsh.
हाँ, by
Ma'am, Utkarsh.
okay.
Excuse me.
Beta, just a second. Now this physical factor is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody was asking something. Yes beta.
Ma'am, I'm having a bad internet issue. Should I rejoin in a minute?
हाँ beta, you can.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Fine. Now coming to the human factors. What do you understand by the human factors? Anybody who can tell me? What do we have in the human factors?
Ma'am, farmlands.
Ma'am, farmlands or forest.
बेसिकली ये क्या कह रहा है कि जो ह्यूमन फैक्टर्स होते हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा डिपेंड करते हैं इस बात पे कि किसी भी रीजन में, किसी भी एरिया में डेंसिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन क्या है। जिन जगहों पे डेंसिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज्यादा होती है वहां पे अमूमन फार्म लैंड्स या कल्टीवेशन के प्रोसेसेस बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं। क्योंकि अगर आप देखो तो जितने भी हमारे प्लेन्स हैं, वेस्ट बंगाल हुआ, नॉर्दर्न प्लेन का पार्ट है, बिहार हुआ, झारखंड हुआ, यूपी हुआ, ठीक है, तो इन एरियाज में पॉपुलेशन का कंसंट्रेशन बहुत ज्यादा है, यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा आबादी पाई जाती है। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे अधिकतर लोगों का ऑक्यूपेशन क्या है, दे आर इनटू एग्रीकल्चर, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो ह्यूमन
Yes,
फैक्टर ऐसे करते हैं कि जो जहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन का कंसंट्रेशन ज्यादा है वहां पे कल्टीवेशन ज्यादा होगा, प्लस वहां पे इंडस्ट्रीज भी होंगी जहाँ जो कि लेबर इंटेंसिव होगी, जहाँ पे मैनुअल लेबर बहुत ज्यादा रिक्वायर्ड रहेगा। आई होप इट इज क्लियर।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now they have given you a table over here. All of you need to go through this table and let me know what you have understood, and one by one I'll be asking you questions, the one which are given over here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, take 2 minutes to read it.
What is pasture?
Pasture land, beta, grazing lands. Pasture is grazing lands, okay?
I'm gone.
Has the least area under cultivation. Why Canada has the least area under cultivation? Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first question goes to Harshita. Harshita, you tell me the country which has maximum land area under cropland.
Ma'am, India.
India. Can you give the reason why?
Ma'am, because in India, people grow more crops.
Ma'am, because there is more population. So we need more crops.
What else? Just now I told you something over here.
Has suitable climate conditions. Yeah, most of the people eats vegetarian.
No, 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 it's not like that. See, because in India, most of the region, the most fertile area that we have,
Plain.
right? So that is why, in this maximum of the cultivation takes place. Maximum of the land, because of the population factor also, because of that, the more and more people are into cultivation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the next question. Name the country that has maximum land area under pasture.
Ma'am, Australia.
Australia.
Yes. Can you tell me why Australia? Why is it so? Can anybody tell?
Ma'am, because Australia has
Because
the
there is
largest
so
percentage of
many
agricultural land.
Yes, because Australia falls in the temperate zone, which lot of pasture land. Grasslands are more over there in these regions where we have the temperate type of climate, right? Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
That is why Australia has more of pasture lands under its in the land. Very good. Then which country has maximum forest cover?
Brazil.
Ma'am, Brazil.
Ma'am, Brazil.
Brazil.
Ma'am, Brazil.
Okay, it is Brazil. Can you tell me why?
And because of Amazon basin.
Because of humid climate.
The
Ma'am,
humid, exactly, because
question.
of yes beta.
Ma'am, because of less population.
No,
And
no.
because of tropical reason.
Exactly, because it falls in the tropical region of the world. It is near the equator, closer to equator, and those areas where the places are closer to equator, there the rainfall is more and the forest cover that we have is comparatively more. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, class. Very good. Fine. Now tell me, which country has the least area under cultivation?
Ma'am, Canada.
Why is it so, Alishba?
Ma'am, because there are mountains and the climate is not suitable.
Moreover, Canada falls in that temperate zone, right?
Ma'am, because of its extremely harsh climate.
Not exactly extremely harsh climate, but in Canada we have more of grasslands, and moreover the population over there is also quite high. The number of people living over there is quite more, and the farms, the land that is there is used for cultivation, but is used for uh, growing several things. Kettles are kettles are reared over there, so that these kettles can these kettles can be used for various other purposes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा, आई होप आई एम क्लियर. कनाडा में क्योंकि पॉपुलेशन कंसंट्रेशन ज्यादा है, वहां पे वहां पे ग्रासलैंड्स भी हैं, तो उन ग्रासलैंड में कुछ एरिया में जो है कल्टीवेशन होता है, एक्सटेंसिव फार्मिंग होती है, बट मैक्सिमम जो लैंड एरिया है वो यूज होता है फॉर रेयरिंग कैटल्स, एंड कैटल्स आर यूज फॉर वेरियस अदर पर्पसेस. जैसे वहां पे आपका जो है मीट इंडस्ट्री जो है बहुत ज्यादा है, मीट इंडस्ट्री फ्लरिश करती है, बहुत
Yes,
सारे
ma'am.
अलग अलग एनिमल्स को वहां पे रेयर किया जाता है फॉर डिफरेंट purposes, right class? Okay, now coming to the country that has the least forested area. China is the country that has less number of forests. अब ये बताओ क्यों? Agrima will tell.
Ma'am, it's
A developed country, like there are more of buildings.
Ma'am, there are very much buildings and it is very much developed. Ma'am, they have cleared the forest.
Ma'am, it have large amount of pasture.
Beta, the
Ma'am, it's not China.
is the most populous country of the world. इतने सारे लोग हैं वहां पे, है ना? वर्ल्ड की कितनी मैक्सिमम पॉपुलेशन वही रहती है, तो उस पॉपुलेशन को एकोमोडेट करने के लिए लैंड रिक्वायर्ड रहेगा, तो इसलिए फॉरेस्ट कवर्स को कंप्लीटली क्लियर ऑफ करके वहां पे रेजिडेंसेस बना दिए गए हैं. ठीक है बेटा? क्लियर?
Ma'am, you said China, but it is UK. Written
UK.
नहीं, sorry, just a second.
UK
Yes,
10%.
Ma'am, it's 10 and China is 14.
अच्छा, sorry, UK. If it is UK, so because of the, क्योंकि छोटा
Population.
ज्यादा है, ठीक है, और प्लस कुछ, ठीक है, इतना क्लियर है आपको ये?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope up till here whatever we have read and done is all clear and understood to you people.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. It was a nice session with you all. I think within no minute the meeting is going to end. Fine. And please keep doing your work that was assigned to you. Right? Do not
Okay, ma'am.
complete.